bữa nay Wingstop rồi luôn á, yeah. Đây bữa nay Sean không ăn được, mình ha ha ha, no, đây Sean bị đau răng, mới nhổ răng. Are you good the raspberry in your avocado? Not the better. Not the that's the raspberry. Yeah. Yeah, 4-gram shot wins. Yeah. All the profanity about right by him. Yeah. And I'm also gonna do that blueberry is a nunca. That's a nunca there for Stefan because of that. Ugh. Yeah. Serious là mặt nạ rồi, yeah. Ông già nhảy rồi luôn, yeah. Diaper boy, diaper boy. Yeah, Shawnee is disgusting. That's like, I'm gonna have to present their Derek McGar's Steve Ricker's penis and Kabe's penis though, yeah. Yep, I'm gonna show their penis. Up there it is, the penis coming up. Yeah. Yep.